Hi guys, Yuno here, and today I'm gonna show you some troubleshooting regarding problem which occur mostly of a newly cut key, and second is when the key is hard to pulled out from the cylinder. So first is in a newly cut key. Mostly key cutters don't realize about the few problems which might occur in cutting their keys. One problem of this is when you are cutting like on a Yale, when you start cutting on a dip of 6 and the second number will be 1 or 2, the value of this key is not smoothly cut by the cutter machine. If it is if you are using a cutter machine, well, as you can see the valley here, there is a slight clip on this part here and cutting 6. So if the next number is either 1 or 2, this clip at the tip of this valley still exists, and that will keep the key from entering the cylinder, as in this kind. You see that? It looks like there is a bit key inside when there is none. See, there is no bit key inside. As you can see, the pick tool is going straight inside, right? But however, when I insert this key, it just go up to this sharp clip here. So to troubleshoot this kind of trouble, it's very simple. All you do is just file this and make this valley smoothly slide. You still can feel the sharp clip in that edge there. Now you will notice now there is a smooth slide of this valley from this side, and that means the key will go inside. The second thing is about the problem of the key is not pulling out easily. It's too stiff on pulling it out. Now the problem which I have noticed with this is about this C-clip here. When this C-clip become old and becomes thin, there is a clearance on this core here that goes almost half millimeter going out, and that will keep the key from being extracted. It's very stiff because this core is pulling out a little bit. Well, one way to solve that problem is to bend this C-clip slightly. So what I do mean is that they are no longer flat on the whole side. So you can bend this like you know, like a washer, you know. So there will be pressure on both sides that keep this core, and it's pulling it in. And one thing more, if you want to spread this C-clip, most locksmith that I see is just they are doing it like this to spread out the clip. No, that's a wrong idea. The best way to spread this C-clip is from the inside with a long nose, and you can have an even spread out of the C-clip. See that? Spread like this, and you have an even spread on both sides. While doing like this, it's quite sometimes to spend on spreading it out, while here you only do it once. You open the long nose plier and the C-clip is spread out. So you now it has already have an uneven side because I tried to squeeze it on either way, and then install it in the profile. Alright, I'll take it out later to give you a good view. Okay, you see, when installing it, they are not even now, so all you have to do is just clip it back. You see that? So they have a pulling capacity behavior on the double profile. And this core now has almost no clearance of wiggling in and out because of this C-clip had been spread out. Now the key is very easily removed. Yeah, it's now sliding easily because of the pressure of the C-clip, which is pulling in the core when it was spread out unevenly. Okay folks, so that's a micro tip for today, and thanks for watching. Good day.